Friends, in this video we will learn the Simpson's 3/8 rule. So first we will see here the introduction. So the region enclosed by the curve f of x and the x-axis within the limits a and b is represented by I is equals to integration a to b f of x dx. So here curve, consider the y is equals to f of x, and area under this curve we have to find using the Simpson's 3/8 rule. Initial limit is a and final limit is b. So first divide this area into small number of strips which is equal in size. So you can see here in the figure there is a area under this curve divide into small number of strips, equal number of strips. Then these coordinates on the x-axis is x0, x1, x2, x3 up to the xn, and related to the coordinates on y-axis there is a y0, y1, y2 up to the yn. Initial limit is a and final limit is b. So after dividing this entire area into small number of strips, then consider first 3 strips area a1, then next 3 strips consider area a2 up to the an. Then for the calculation purpose, consider first area a1 which is highlighted in the round, then equal number of strips are there and having the size is h. So take this area a1 in the xy coordinates. So here x0, x1, x2 and x3 is there. Initial limit is a and final limit is b, and related to the y coordinates on the curve is y0 or ya, then y1, y2 and final is yb. So area is a1 and strip size is h. So here a comma b is equals to a is x0, x1 up to the xn and b is xn. So n is equals to 3 here. N is number of strips. For area a1 number of strips is 3. So I is equals to integration a to b f of x dx. Apply the Newton forward interpolation to this and we'll get this formula nh into bracket y0 plus n by 2 delta y0 plus n into 2 into n minus 3 upon 12 delta square y0 up to the nth terms. So here delta y0 is equals to y1 minus y0, delta square y0 is equals to y1 minus 2y1 plus y0, delta cube y0 is equals to y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0. So put n is equals to 3 in the Newton Cotes formula. This is called as the Newton Cotes formula. So we'll get the formula 3h by 8 into bracket y0 plus yn plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus yn up to the yn minus 3 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 up to the yn minus 1. So we can remember in this way also the 3h by 8 into first term plus last term y0 plus yn plus 2 into multiple of 3 terms plus 3 into remaining terms. So this is the Simpson's 3/8 rule formula. So based on this concept we will see the one numerical. So numerical statement is evaluate 0 to 1 sin x upon 2 plus 3 sin x dx using the Simpson's 3/8 rule using the 6 strips. So here one function is given and limits are given, integration limits 0 to 1, and number of strips are 6 given here. So solution, so given data, lower limit is a is equals to 0, upper limit b is equals to 1, number of strips n is given 6. So find here the h strip size. How to find this strip size? So final limit or upper limit minus lower limit upon number of strips. So we can see here the b minus a upon n is equals to 1 minus 0 upon 6 is equals to 0.1667. So once you find the strip size, then we can see here the graphically representation of this curve. Y is equals to f of x denote, and f of x is here nothing but the sin x upon 2 plus 3 into sin x. divide this entire area or area under the curve into small number of strips, which is having the x coordinates are x0, x1, x2 up to the xn, or initial limit is we denote here the a and final limit is denote here the b. So first 3 strips is having the area a1, next 3 strips is having the a2 area up to the an. So strip size is h, equal in size. So after divide this entire area into small number of strips, then find the coordinates, x coordinates. So x0 is nothing but the small a. So x0 is 0. Then x1 is x0 plus h, 0 plus 0.1667 is equals to 0.1667. Then x2, x1 plus h is equals to 0.1667 plus 0.1667 is equals to 0.33. Then x3, x2 plus h is equals to 0.33 plus 0.1667 is equals to 0.5. Then x4 is equals to x3 plus h is equals to 0.5 plus 0.1667 is equals to 0.666. x4 plus h is equals to 0.666 plus 0.1667 is equals to 0.833. x6 is equals to x5 plus h is equals to 0.833 plus 0.1667 is equals to 1. So once you calculate this x0 to x6, then find the function value. Put this all values x0 to x6 in the function and find the respective function. So f of x0 is equals to y0 is equals to sine x upon 2 plus 3 into sine x. This is the function. Put the x0 is equals to 0, sine 0 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 0 is equals to 0. Similarly, find the f of x1 is nothing but y1 is equals to sine 0.1667 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 0.1667 is equals to 0.0664. f of x2 is equals to y2 is equals to sine 0.333 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 0.333 is equals to 0.1097. f of x3 is nothing but y3 is equals to sine 0.5 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 0.5 is equals to 0.1394. f of x4 is equals to y4 is equals to sine 0.666 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 0.667 is equals to 0.1304. f of x5 y5 is equals to sine 0.833 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 0.833 is equals to 0.1753. And last is f of x6 is equals to y6 is equals to sine 1 upon 2 plus 3 into sine 1 is equals to 0.1859. So after calculating all these x values and function values, then apply the Simpson's 3/8 rule formula. So we have the Simpson's 3/8 formula. 3h by 8 is equals to y0 plus yn plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus yn up to the yn minus 1 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 up to the yn minus 1. So first prepare the formula according to our number of strips. So formula is 3h by 8. So y0 plus y6. y6 is nothing but here the yn. Number of strips is 6. Plus 2 into multiple of 3 terms y3 plus 3 into remaining terms y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5. So we have all the values of this y0 to y6. Then put all values 3 into 0.1667 upon 8 into bracket 0. y0 is 0 plus y6 is 0.1859 plus 2 into y3 is 0.1394 plus 3 into y1 is 0.0664 plus 0.1097 plus 0.1394 plus 0.1753. So after calculating or after simplify this, we'll get the area under the curve is 0.1250. So in this way we can calculate the any area under the curve using the Simpson's 3/8 rule.